Yeah, since we bought our Tow and Fert, we've noticed a huge reduction in lame cows, to the point that we've only had 20 all year out of 300 cows. Normally we'd end up with about 80 to 100 every year for the last 6 years, and it's something I just could not get on top of. We have beautiful lanes, we walk our cows really slowly, we don't have dogs or anything like that on our cows, but we just could not combat the lameness. And yet this year, buying the Tow and Fert, we had no idea going into the Tow and Fert machine that it would reduce our lame cows, but it has, and it's just because of the drier feed we're feeding our cows here on the west coast with not so much water in the grass. If you take a reduction in water in the grass, you end up with drier feces. So you end up with drier poos, you end up with a slower ruminant. You end up with slower ruminant, you end up with better hoof condition, better cow condition, because everything's travelling through the tummy that much slower. So this is the end result. This is the end result of a Tow and Fert machine. A perfect poo in the paddock. Full of consistency, not going to run away, healthy for the cow, healthy for everything else. And this, you just do not see that under dry form urea. Even if we save nothing on nitrogen alone, buying one of these Tow and Ferts from Tow and Farm, just to save lameness is a benefit in itself. And the costs in that, it's hard to even comprehend the cost of a lame cow. You can add the cost of the penicillin, the cost of the time out of the vet, if the cow doesn't get back in calf. There's a whole wide range of issues. The benefits are just about incomprehensible to using a Tow and Fert machine, the reduction in sore feet that we've had from it.